Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Shut Down Woman's $700 Nail Salon Credit Card Scam.
On December 26, 2025, officers responded to a nail salon for a call of credit card theft.
How you doing, ma'am?
It's a nice
You guys
salon.
call?
Hi.
I'm doing alright. How about yourself?
I'm good. So we had a client walk in.
Is she a regular or no? Was that the lady that was standing up and leaving?
Oh yeah.
Hey, come here! 7 foot. Got one back to me off right out foot. It's gonna be towards the back of the side of the building. Hey! Come here!
What's wrong with
Put your hands. Hey!
Slow ass.
Listen to me right
Where's she
now.
going?
Listen to me. Put your hands right here. And see your hands. I will tase you. You don't put my hand.
Please don't scare me, sir.
All right. Relax your hands. Face towards the back.
Please don't scare me.
All right. Come on.
Please, what's wrong with you? What are you doing to me, sir?
Ma'am,
You're scaring me.
let's go.
I want to tell my mother.
Grab the hand.
Please, sir.
All right, see your phone. See your phone.
Ma'am, relax,
Relax.
Stop
Relax.
moving, ma'am. Stop moving.
I don't want to slam you on the ground, ma'am. I need you to relax. You understand me?
Stop moving. Stop resisting. Stop
I
resisting.
have a medical issue.
No, you do not. Stop resisting.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Stop resisting. Stop moving your arm.
Sir.
Stop moving your arm.
My mom's gonna pay for it. What's wrong with you? Can I call my mom, please?
Relax, man.
Hey, anybody else?
That's it.
One. What's that?
Just one.
So let's show up real quick.
Can I call my mom?
No, stop. Is there any other persons involved?
No, only her.
Have her hang out right here. Take her to the show up. Hey, take her to the car right now. Everybody down here?
Man, ladies will do anything to get them nails done, boy.
Ma'am, relax, all
What are
right?
you doing? I'm just on my mom.
Make sure you have nothing on you. Relax. Relax.
Stop
my mom.
resisting. Stop.
I don't have anything on me, man.
Ma'am, I need you to relax, all right? Stand fast. Don't move. I need you to put your legs shoulder width apart from me, please. Shoulder width apart. You have anything out here?
No.
Got your camera looking?
Yeah.
What are you doing to me?
Make sure you have no weapons on you, okay?
Stop playing games. There's no scare. You know exactly what you're doing.
What did I do?
Allow the deputy to
No
do
weapons.
his job.
Hey,
No weapons.
I don't have any weapons.
I have no idea.
What in the world's going on?
Have a seat. Have a seat.
What is going on?
Just relax, ma'am.
Detained.
You're being detained right now right? for
Why?
questioning. When I told you to stop, or when I told you to stop, you took flight, okay?
Yeah, but I'm scared because I'm literally, you know why?
Stop.
Relax. Move your feet.
Okay.
So my question is, you guys were on a call?
They called.
We call, right?
She said she has an appointment next door for her hair. So as soon as you guys came, she should have walked in there and tell her she would walk over here to let you guys know that she's over there.
Okay.
But her mom or her family paid her transaction.
Okay. So what is this about the credit card?
I don't know. You gotta ask them.
Nothing serious, sir?
Just gotta figure out something. All right. So we got a call here for a fraud, right? Obviously with the credit cards.
Yes.
Okay.
So she randomly walked in. She wanted to buy $700 worth of services.
Were the credit cards to her? How do you know it was not?
They're in her phone. They're all in her phone. She had like 17 different cards all in her phone, and she
Like
wouldn't
a
show me.
mobile wallet
No.
or a picture?
She wouldn't show me.
Okay.
Because she's like, you have to manually put them in. And I was like, all right, well, show it to me and I'll put it in. She was like, no, I'll just do it. I'll do it. And she wouldn't let me see her phone. or see if they were typed or if it's a picture
Okay, so she got the numbers of the cards.
of the card, so I don't know, but it was all on her phone.
Okay.
And then they kept getting declined. It was like declined, fraud, declined.
How do you know
fraud,
it's fraud? You say
declined,
fraud?
Yeah, it kept saying fraud for a bunch of them. 2 went through. And then I had 3 clients call here and say, hey, Bank of America just sent me a message. Someone's trying to use my card at your business. It's not me.
Okay.
The woman walked in. She said she had her aunt and her mother with her, and she wanted to pay for services.
And how do you identify this woman? What was she wearing?
She was wearing a black t-shirt that said from Medellin on it.
Okay.
And then she had short, blonde, fluffy, wavy hair to her shoulders.
Describe to me how she looked like in terms of, is she black? She's Hispanic?
She's
white?
Hispanic, and she was a little larger.
Okay. All right. Keep going.
I don't remember what pants she was wearing. I just remember the shirt that said Medellin.
Understood. So describe to me what happened as you were saying earlier regarding to the transaction.
So she wanted to purchase $700 worth of services, and so she told me to try to put it all on one card first. It was declined. It said suspected fraud. She gave me another card. It was declined, suspected fraud.
How do you figure it was suspected fraud?
It showed up on my screen. It said it was declined, suspected fraud.
All right.
So, 2, so then she was like, well, let me split 2. I'll try 100 on this card and 300 on a different card. Those ones went through. And then she still owed another 300, so we tried like 7 more cards. And
What business? Come on, man. What business even does that? You keep getting suspected fraud, suspected fraud, suspected fraud. They split it, make it smaller amounts. But 7 more cards keep getting. How do you even try that many cards? Who has that many cards in general, period? Most people may have 2 bank accounts, maybe 4 credit cards. That's 6 cards, right? 2 debit cards. Yeah, and like 4 credit cards, maybe 3 credit cards or something, right? But you talking about she's just going through a list of numbers and you don't see nothing wrong with that? As a business, honestly, as a business, you don't see nothing wrong with that. Why would you keep even? Because it's a hassle. Now, someone's got to call in. You got to go refund the money and whatever. And whoever is your payment processor and stuff like that don't like to be giving refunds and all of that stuff. It's you. Like, come on, like, let's use some common sense here. You just gonna keep trying cards until it goes through? No, you don't. Do you need their services that bad? Or do you need their business that bad? Who's coming in there ordering $700 worth of stuff anyway? That's not even like, come on, man. You don't see nothing wrong with that. You just gonna keep trying cards.
all of them were declined and said suspected fraud. And then she went next door to get a pedicure. And I had 3 people call the salon and tell me that Bank of America or whatever bank they were using sent them a message saying someone tried to use their card at this business and it's not them.
Okay.
So
Is there a way we could pull up those transactions that said it was declined fraud?
I looked. I don't know how to pull up like declined ones. So
Understood.
you can probably get it through the credit card company. No, because I went through the history. These are all ones that went
What
through.
about the opens?
Opens are just, those are ones that went through, but those are ones just from today.
Okay. Do you have the phone numbers for the individuals who called you?
This business is, you guys got to get business down pat. You don't got nothing?
No, which one did that one? I think it was this one.
Whoever owns this place they need training.
Did you recall, ma'am? You were like, say, 14, 15 around there?
How many cards did she use?
Around 15.
About 15.
How many cards was the transaction on your guys' end? How many times did she use the cards? And how many different cards?
I manually put in so many.
Guys, all different names?
I didn't see the names. She has the card numbers in her phone, and she wouldn't let me look at it. So she was typing the card in.
Yeah. Were they actually physical cards? Or were they
She would be
they're all
fired
on
if
her
I was the
phone.
owner.
phone?
Everything's on her
There's
phone.
pictures of the card.
I don't know if it was pictures of the card or if she had like the numbers typed in. She wouldn't let me look at it.
17 and figure out.
So yeah, these are
Yeah, it was like a
No common sense.
Here, I think it's going to be this last one that I just talked to, right before I called you.
So she came in here, she's using her card to scan, you're saying?
No, I had to manually type the cards in because she didn't have any
She
physical
was telling you
cards.
numbers.
Yes, because I said if you have all these in your wallet, you can just tap it. I don't have to manually put them in. And she's like, no. And she's like this. And she's like, let me get this number. Okay. And then she was reading it to me. And then eventually she was just like, I'll just type it in myself. And I was like, well, if you show me the card, I'll put it in. And she was like, no, it's fine. She wouldn't let me see what she was looking at.
About 14 or 15 different numbers you typed in?
Yes.
Did she type it in herself?
Yes.
And they all came up suspect fraud?
Yeah, except for these two. Except
two
for
went through?
These two went through, so, and I don't know who these people are. So I don't know if I should refund it, because it's probably not her cards. That's not
You would
her.
be so fired.
No, that's not her.
And those are hers?
That's a different client. Yeah, these are the only two cards that did go through. All the other ones were declined for suspected fraud.
How much did she owe? $700 worth of services?
She tried to get 700. 400 went through, 300
So 300?
wouldn't go through. Well, I think she didn't get anything done.
Oh, she tried to pay beforehand?
Yes.
Okay.
She came in and was like, she wanted to get stuff done, but I didn't have enough time. So she's like, I'll come in the morning. And I said, well, I have to take your payment then in the morning tomorrow. And she goes, I'll just buy a $700 gift certificate now and I'll use it tomorrow. So she didn't want to pay tomorrow.
Okay. All right, give me a few minutes. We'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, thank you, man. Give me 1 second.
The woman was charged with felony credit card fraud and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching.
Fired. Fired. You can't use common sense. That's the only thing that I get out of this. No common sense. You're gonna sit there and sit there all day for 15 numbers, random numbers to be coming through? You would be so fired because you have no common sense. And I get it. She's probably never dealt with, stuff like that, whatever, that type of fraud, probably don't deal with that too often, whatever. But use common sense, please. Because, listen, you know what they say about them blondes, even though she's not an original blonde, but listen. You ain't, come on, man. The light bulb ain't go off. You're acting like a true blonde, okay? But man, that's the only thing I get out of this. Fired. If I see this or hear about this, you are so fired. I ain't gonna lie. You're done. Go somewhere else, okay? But it's not only on her. The owner, whoever owns this, they should be training people too. Like, that's, you think that makes sense to just sit there and go through 15 different cards? Even if she had the physical card. I'm not sitting here trying 15 different cards, man. It's not happening. We're gonna give you maybe 3 or 4. You know what I'm saying? But they keep coming up, suspected fraud. Like, no, we're done, man. We're done. We don't need your money. Go somewhere else. You gotta stand on business, man. Gotta stand on business. You need you need that customer that bad? Unbelievable, man. I get officers 5 out of 5, but I know in their brain, they're like, you let her go through 15 different cards? People called you, reporting their cards being used at this location. A light bulb didn't go off. Hey, let me jot this number down. You know, once you hang up, hey, what was that number? You got call ID. Let me jot this number down. Okay, sorry about that, man. Let me get your name and number. You know, no light bulb went off. You're so disorganized. Unbelievable. Cops get 5 out of 5. The business though, her, you get a 0. Okay, flat out 0. Go get some training, do something, get some common sense. Okay. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.